Hi, I'm going to change my broken leather gear knob because this one has come off, and this is very bad to gear with. It hurts, makes your hand sore. I'm going to change it. Just wobble it off, and I'm going to change it with wooden, very dark wooden one, blend in with the interior of this car. That's nice. It's a little loose on the stick. I'm going to apply some tape around the splines, and that gives it a very good fit. And you don't have to use any hacksaw or whatever you have, whatever you use it. So now it's stuck, and it's good to go. Thank you.